Okay, so this is the part 3 of our video. So we're still looking for a big problem of this printer. So this is a printer EPSON L3110. So what I'm going to do is to troubleshoot the board. So the board is this one. So we are going to detach the board. So we're going to detach this board by uh, unscrewing it all those uh, screw. So the first is for the sensor, second for this one, but then I will unplug all the connection first. So all the connection of this printer. So we have that the two connection for the uh, dynamo and for the print head, then for the power. So unplug it and we will just do something. So detach that. So we have three tornels. Yeah, tornels. That is tornels. So this is the hardest part of uh, and detaching the tornels because it has like that. But then simple tiyaga, pinilaga. Does not work. We add this the big one. Come on. I need the other Philip, the big one. Because I just want this to hold. Two. Yeah, one. I got you. So carefully, we are going to detach that. Going to this part. Yeah. Okay. So this is the board of the printer EPSON L3110. So it has a problem on that. So that is the problem. So on the other side, so as you can see, so you see that that is the problem. Another problem because the waste ink has been moved into the board. So it may cause a short circuit. So what we are going to do in that is to clean. We'll show you how to clean that. Okay, just hang on. In just a few um, minutes, I will teach you on how to clean this. We will just submerge it into water. Okay, just hang on. As we continue, so this is the board. What we are going to do is to detach this for us not to be able uh, to lose the sensor. So this is the sensor for the plate. So we're going to clean this. So what we are going to do is to put this into water. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Is that good? Yeah. I tried this before. So trust me. And uh, this is our powder soap. Ano ba to? Parang Tide ata to or yan. Okay. So we'll do this. I hope you can see me. I will just move into this part. Okay, you still see me, right? So I will do some magic. Yeah, just sit sides here and do some magic. Yeah, something like that. See that? Okay, so that is. So we'll just clean it perfectly. Then, because it has now a sunlight, the sun is really shining. So we will just put it back. We'll just put it there over the sunlight. Then I will just let it to dry. I will not use any more electricity because the sunlight is really shining. So nakikisama yung sunlight natin. So hopefully this will work. I've done this before many times, but then it does not work. So we will detach the IC. But then I think that this will work. So I hope so. Do it like that. So this is the board of the printer. We will just clean it. Those waste ink which is received into the board, so just clean that. Okay. So that is my Sibelio. Okay. I never used that Sibelio. So it is really clean. I will just drop the water into that and do something like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. See that? Hmm. Amoy, amoy powder siya. Okay, we'll just put it here. So under the sun, you'll just wait at least 20 minutes. Just wait at least 20 minutes to dry it up. Okay, so it is almost 20 minutes. Then the sun does not rise correctly or perfectly, so we'll do another. I will use current. We will use electricity to dry it up. Okay, just draw it. Yeah. Okay, we'll just put it back into my CR. So this is our board. That one. So I will just move you a little bit on that part. Then we'll do some magic. Okay. What happened to you? Okay, so this is my workstation. My workstation. Just a little bit more. Okay. So my workstation. I will just put you there. Can you be on that part? Yeah, good. Okay, that is my workstation. Okay, so making sure also that it is on the maximum, which 8, the air is 8, so it will give you a lot of air blowing. Then the heat is on number 3 or 3.5, so do not sagad it into 8 because it will cause shortages on the board. Okay, so just turn on. Okay, we'll just uh, wait until it uh, will hot like that. So we will just dry this board. Yeah. Okay, so we will just dry this board. Ini pa sa mamaya. So another way of drying the board is by applying alcohol. So alcohol, it has a solution content which may automatically dry the board. So once that you apply some or alcohol into this board, so it will in a short while it will dry up. Then previously I am using Fuji to clean this up, but then this time I don't have Fuji. Do you know what is Fuji? The one who we will put into the lighter. So that is the uh, uh, yes, that is gas of the lighter. But then because I don't have that, I already try alcohol because today is pandemic. So the alcohol is very high when it comes to price, but then it is just okay. So making sure that it is only 70% solution. Yeah, 70% solution. Did you see that? Yeah, that is the a lower solution that we have. That is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. So I do not uh, I do not advertise this, but then I really use ethyl alcohol, that is green cross. Green cross. Okay, 70% solution. Okay. Okay. So I will just put an alcohol into my brush and brush it again. To be something like that. Yeah. No. So I know that the sun does not really shine, but then we will do some magic using the reward station. Okay, okay, so I think that is enough. Okay, so we just apply this, doing that. So you will dry it up. So you don't have to put the nozzle or this reward station into one place because it may cause surfaces. Uh, Maybe the lines of the board will be broken. So in that case, so hopefully this will work. So the sun is really still shining. So may tokok ata tong sun na to. Hmm, mainit. Okay. So at the back of the board, do something like that. Yeah. So hopefully this will work. But if not, I will just throw this into that part. Then I will just buy a brand new one. Okay. Hopefully this will work. I am now on the 15 minutes and 48 seconds on my video. So the sun is really shining. The sun is really shining. It's almost 11:09. Today is Tuesday, September 15, September 16. Is that correct? September 15, 2020. 9:11:10 a.m. Okay, I think so. We are done on that. Is that clean? Really clean? Yeah, good. We will just turn it off like that. We'll just wait until it does not respond. So the secret of this rework station is when you turn it off, once that it is working, it's cooling down. So do not unplug it. So that will cause a problem on your rework station. You will just wait until it's cool down. You will just stop. It will just stop. The sounds that you hear will just stop. Okay, that is a simple tip about the reverb station. Okay, okay. So this is the sensor. Just look into it. It's really mm, dirty. Still, it has waste ink on it. So we cannot apply heat on this because the sensor will be broken or will be damaged. So we just do something else. Did you hear that? Oh, it's stopped uh, working. It is now. It is really on the cool mode. Yeah. So I will just put it down here. So it's up to you if you are going to unplug it or not. So in my case, I do not unplug it because I know that it is turned off, so it will not use current again. Okay, so we will just clean the inside of the sensor, something like that. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. Make sure that it is really clean. Though it has damage on the part, so no. Okay, so as you can see, so there is no problem on the board, so it's really clean. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so the board is really clean. So we just put back the sensor, something like that. Okay, and close it, put it there, and we'll just put back the the board on the printer. Okay, so we will do this carefully. Why? Because you need to do it or apply some uh, something which is may not affect the board. So put back the tunnels. So that is tunnels or screw, whatever you call it. Okay. So the other one on that part. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's hard because uh, it is on it is not on the right angle once that you touch it. Okay, good. Then the long one in the center of the board, so you need to put it back because it will hold the board. It is really designed on that part, so that's why we need to put it back there. Just do something like that, then tighten it with the Phillips screw. Yeah. Take note that this is the part 3 of my video. Then we will not stop until it does not work perfectly. Okay, so we're going to put back the flex cable. So this is the flex cable for uh, the print head. So this is intended for the ink to flow into the print head. Then this one is for the sensor, the little one. Yeah. Then the sensor, I mean the gear. So this is for the gear. I mean dynamo for us to uh, uh, this print head will work, moving in vice versa. Okay, so just put it like that. So I think it is on the lower part inside. Yeah, inside of this. So yeah, correct, perfect. Yeah. Okay, just do something like this. If does not fit, then twist it, then locate for a better position. Okay, something like that. Then put it back there, the wires, because it has a design, it holds the wires, so you must just put it back there. Okay, then the other dynamo for this part, this one. So this is the function of this dynamo is for them to be able to rotate. Nah, so that is so the other one, put it back there and make it sure that it is correct. It has a color coding, so that one is white and this one is black, so it has a color coding, unlike the old printer of EPSON, which is L120, L310, and L360, 365, 210, 220. So they are the same in color, but then in this case, so they are not the same. Okay. Then the power supply. This power supply is the one who supply a current into the board. So we just put it back there. Okay. Then the sensor for this plate. So we just put it back also into that part. So make sure that it is really on its original position. Then put back the screw. I know that it is really hard um, to repair a printer, but then upon repairing a lot of printers, you will find something and you will discover something on how you're going to repair into a printer. So that is really easy. Okay, so we put back those things. Then this time we'll put back the cover. So hopefully this will work. No, so we need to test it. We need to test it. Where are you? So it has also a problem about the uh, this machine, the copier. The power button has been uh, so it has waste ink inside of the power button. So we will just open this again, but then we'll just try first if this will work. So this is for the ruler for the copier. Is that correct? Yeah, I know. Really. Then this is for the other part for the lens of the copier, and this is for the power button. So hopefully this will work so that we can use for the customer can use now this printer. Okay, we'll just make it sure that it's really not will not affect the inside of the printer. Okay, so add papers. This is the paper. So my customer always asked me what kind of parts did you replace. So that's why I have a I do some reports. I always have video pictures to those things uh, for them to be able to know what is really happening on their printer. Yeah. So I band paper into the paper tray. Add the paper into the paper tray. Something like that. Okay. Then let us plug it in the printer. Put the cable, I mean the power code on the power supply. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I'm now slang. Then power on the printer. Okay. 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 So did you see that? Did you see that? So it has no indicator on the paper jam and on the ink, but then stable uh, power button that is. Can you see that? Okay, we will try to have this Xerox or a copy. We will use the copier photocopy. Okay, so I will just press down the colored button. Okay. Okay, so did you hear that? Did you see that? It's working. Yeah. Oh yeah. See? It's working now. Even though it is on the skeletal mode. Yeah. So hopefully this will work perfectly. But then still we have a problem on the printout. But then we can easily fix this. We'll just apply something which is print head cleaning. So in my previous video, I do printhead cleaning. If you want to learn about that, you just subscribe into my channel. Then after that, you will see um, all the videos I uploaded into my channel, YouTube channel. So this is the printout output of this printer. It's still working, but then uh, the the indicator lead stop. So good to know that we fixed the problem. So this is the printout. It is really easy to fix because it is on the printhead. Maybe the ink does not circulate correctly because we detached the hose uh, on the ink tank, so it has some air, maybe a little bit of air on the inside. We will just do power flashing, ink flashing. Then this is the output. Okay, I just put it back into the original position, all those things. Okay, turn it off. Up. Then unplug, remove the vapor, detach everything, every connection, which is those those flex cable. That is the flex cable. Just put it there. Then we'll put back the cover, side cover. This is the side cover of this printer. That is how we put it back. Just put it back there. The secret is like that. Okay, that's the secret. The secret of that printer. Okay, perfect. Okay, then the other one. Okay, so we will just do I need to detach that one? This one. Then put it there. Until it is something like that. Okay. Okay. See. Then add a little bit of terrace, That is the turnouts. Then another one. This one. So ganon. Ganun. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Did I miss some turnouts here? I don't think so. Maybe yes, maybe no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so it is 5. So where is the other? So other one. Okay. But anyway, before we put it back into its original position, we need to detach this because we will remove the ink inside of this copier. So it has an ink really inside of the copier, inside of that. So yeah, just put it there and down there. And focus on this. So there is a good ink. You just detach this one by unturneling it. That is the turnouts. Okay, another turnouts on this part. Turnouts, yeah, turnouts. Turnouts also into this part. Okay, okay. I pass it on else here. So we'll just do it something like that. And this is the board. Okay. something connected on you. What's the secret? There is a secret. There is still a secret on it. And there is a toenails. I never detach the toenails thing. Yeah, detach the toenails. That's why it goes like that. Come on. Yeah. Okay. So this is the capia. So make it sure that it would not be affected by the ink. Just put it like that into that part. Yeah. Put it something like that. Okay, perfect. Does it has a problem? No. But then I need some wipes to clean it up. So um, this is the glass. See, it has an ink. Here, 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 here. Has an ink there. Just clean it, clean it, clean it. Can put it there. Yeah. Then we will clean this board. This is the board. The power button is on that part. So did you see that? That ink, that ink, really. So that is the ink. I don't know what happened to this, but maybe when they travel it going here into my house, so maybe that happened. I think if I am the one who get this will not be like this, because I know how to handle, because my runner it doesn't know really how to handle. here because I don't have it on. So that's why I just let my runner to pick up the printer. Okay, so that is the ink. Really the ink. The ink is really annoying. Thanks God, because it does not affect the keyboard or the copier, the power button for the copier. You just do some magic on that. Did you see that? That is the ink. Really the ink. So I need some tissue. Okay, just put it there. Then just hang on, I will just get tissue. Okay. Okay, so the tissue is here. That is the tissue. Tissue. Just put the tissue there. Then do some cleaning into the power button. That is the power button. Just clean it. Really. What's that? So we just clean this. Okay, I think that is really clean. Now, the back part. I need to really clean that part. I think the things that happen into the printer, why it the goes up the ink because they mishandle this. They just um, this handle, I mean, just rotate it. So that is not correct. That is not a good practice. I think they will pay for a tissue because all my tissue will be is now used just to clean this. My bowl of my tissue has been used. Okay, so this one is for that. Then I will put it back there. Perfect. Does it lock? Yeah, it's locked. And this one is an indicator. Okay. Okay. Then this one is under or on the top of the cap here. Oh, come on. Okay, good. Just clean it and clean it and clean it and clean it. New tissue. This is lens, the lens of the cap here. Okay, so carefully you need to do that very carefully. So still, it has a lot of ink there. See, that is the ink. What really happened to this? Okay, so can we put it back into its original position? So I think so. Put back the power button. This is the power button. Yeah, okay. So we'll not rotate it, but we will just. This is the one who need to put back into that part. Okay, so power button like like that, and like that. Try the power button. Good. Try the good. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. So we just so this is like this. Oh, is that the coconut? Oh no, it's damaged. No, it's not. Come on. That is how we. That's how I assemble. It is normal, really normal. Does not work, then be it. No problem. We'll just bring it back to the owner. Choke, choke only. Okay. Put back those tunnels, other tunnels, the tunnels before we try it. There is tunnels. Okay. Another tunnels here. We have two tunnels. Tunnels here and tunnels there. another tissue. Clean this. Clean that. Like that. Clean this part. Oh, my tissue. Oh, my tissue. My tissue. Yeah. I think this is now good. Good as really good. Oh, did I miss something here? Okay. We'll put back this one like that. Come on. Does this will work? I think so. So let's try if this will work. Copy one paper, some one paper, two paper three, 1 hour. Power on. Power on. Good, it's working. So we'll try to have a copy, photocopy. So black. See that it's working. Yeah. For the color. Okay. Good. Really working now. So I think I'm done with the problem. So all you have to do is to watch the video and don't forget to subscribe, and to like the video. You can also share the video for the information of the other person. Okay, so thank you very much. Then we have been do a better job.